Mbote na balandi nyonso ya Kelly Joyce TV kandi buzomona naza nanga na ndaku. Donc nengna lakisa bino oyo nga na komo sala soki bana balali. En tout cas vraiment eza bien pour na ba mama, surtout ba mama na ba papa pe eza bien, mais mingi na obeta sete na ba mama eza vraiment bien pour na biso, surtout toza na confinement boyebi ke batu bazolia trop bwana bandaku bozolia mingi eloko osala ezate omona ke surtout ba mama ba congolais omona lati na moi robe na e bien penza robe bien, mais tala libumu ebimi lokwa ngungi automela makila. En tout cas vraiment eza bien pour na biso ba mama. Donc tout ça là-bas exercise na ndaku ezo aider biso pour na mabumu pour na makambo ebele. Donc ngana za na ndaku toza fina na malili libanda yango bomoni ke na lati shirt na lati t-shirt na. Donc moto amoni ke eza moto so yoki moto ko kino po longola olo na yo olati sengle na yo, mais po nanga malili eza makasi. Donc malili eza makasi tina sala kaya mususu moto ko ya na banda exercise na ngai. Donc na banda ki yango 2 jours déjà na bi pourquoi pas na yebisa bande comme ça ba sala pe ndenge na sala bande ko eza pe na bien ngane naza pe naza mama bana misatu penza, mais soko tali libumu na nga otali nzoto na nga okondima kutu teke oyo aza mama ya bana misatu. Donc eza bien pour na biso Kokitisa Mabumu ya moko lati ma robe na yo ya bien penza ma robe na yo kanga taille et kangi yo pena taille omona ke obimi très bien pour libumu ezate. Donc eloko ebebisaka taille eza libumu eza bien te ke oza libumu nene oza pe robe lati o ekangi yo obimi libumu nene eza pena bien te ba mama to meka kosala ba exercise. Donc ba gym eza kokanga mais bandaku exercise eza kosala na TV. Ceinture o bokomona na lati na somba yango te, ceinture o bapesanga yango pa grande sœur nanga ya na botaki mwana nanga ya misatu apesenga ceinture na bande ko lata ngote, mais na bonsko ko passe nango ekitisinga na libumu na biso na zongi pla lokola moto abota te. Donc eza vraiment bien so ngoso ma ceinture ko so manope na eBay ko so na Amazon ko so na ba na internet ko so everywhere eza nango. Mais ça to bani makam na biso to sala na bien pour na santé. To mona ka boy uzo toka na ceinture moto libumu zo ke mbala mako.
There's no wrong time to exercise. When it fits your you don't have to be a professional dancer to get down with us, okay? That's why I'm here. I know. Shoulder rolls back right here. Let's go. Hit it. Back. Oh yeah, and you can just have some fun with it. Don't take yourself too seriously when you are working out with me. Passion over perfection, okay? Now I'm going to explain to you how hip-hop Tabata works. But before that, we're going to start the side lunge. Right here. Let's go. Side lunge. Side lunge. Yes. Okay. Hip-hop Tabata works like this. I'm giving you 7 moves. Each move, you're going to do.
Jumping jack again. Nice full range of motion. Keep it nice and quick. This is your last 2 exercises, so really push yourself. Make sure that arm is nice and rigid. Make sure those legs are nice and rigid. Everything's under control. Getting a nice, quick, full swing. Check those abdominal muscles. Make sure those abdominal muscles, those obliques, and that lower back are all nice and tight. Make sure those arms are tight. Make sure those legs are tight. Just keep running through everything again. We've got 10 seconds left to go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and go ahead and let it relax. Back to that jog in place. We got 1 more round of each of these exercises. We're starting back over with that toe touch kick next. Arms completely locked out. You want to have just a little tiny bit of a bend in that elbow so that bicep and tricep are always constantly working to hold that position. Same thing with that leg. You want to make sure that quadricep, the front of that thigh, and that hamstring, the back of that thigh, stay nice and tight to hold that position. You're almost done. And let it relax. Go and stand back up. This is our last 2 exercises. We're going to be doing a toe touch kick and a jumping jack, just a regular jumping jack. So let's go ahead and get started with that toe touch kick. And arms come up over your head. Then you're going to reach down towards that foot. Getting a nice full extension down towards that leg. You should feel a little bit of a stretch in your hamstring as well as a good crunch to those abdominal muscles. Just keep that motion going. Nice full stretch, those arms above your head, those feet come down to the ground. As you bring one foot up, you're going to reach both those hands down towards that toe, trying to keep that leg as straight as you can. Get a good crunch.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Arms are down, guys. Kicks are coming. 6, tight tummy. Long trunk. Ready? Kick right here. Okay, power kick. Opposite hand, reach toward the foot.
Libumu is okay.
8, 7, 6. Change those arms and reach over the head. Here they come. Retard. 4 more counts. 4, 3, 2. Now just lift me here. Knees up. Knees up. Knees up. Knees up. Bring your hands in tight. Don't squirm it. Just rotate toward your knee. You don't want to touch it. It's okay. Elbow toward the knee. I want you to get at that deep crunch. See that hand? It's deep in the belly. Get a deep crunch.
Hey,
The
Libumu is so on the
upper body. Everything's working. All those muscles in motion.
Libumu.
And here we go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Walk. You got it. 4, 3. Time out is coming. Just tap that toe out to the side. That's all you gotta do. Just wait a minute. My legs do it more. I know my legs listen. Here. Is that big enough? I'll give it to you in a couple minutes. Hang on. Hey guys. Side step right here. Out together, out together. That heart rate
na
going
toki
down.
eh.
Nice. Hey, how you feel? Even in a few minutes, it's strong. It's out together, out together. Woo. 8 more. Here's 8. Here's 7.
Bana 3 tala Libumu nanga mama bana 3 tala Libumu na olongola kutu gen na olakisa bino nde Libumu nanga eza pena pla donc namoni kutu na gen evimbi mais fo lata gen osala nini po ediminue yo nini donc nde na abwe nazotoka na kati na otoka donc olati gen après ozo travailler ok nga sala boye bana balali nazo travailler nanga na bongisa nzoto nanga bana balali lobi na tonga no nini na sukoli na lali olamuka très bien donc
Counts, guys. Here's 4. Here's 3. Here's 2. Now just lift the knees. All you do is lift and lift and lift and lift. It goes knee up, knee up, knee up, knee up, knee up, knee up. Tight tummy here, everybody. Tummy tuck. My favorite thing. Here goes Camilla. I need a mirror. Tuck that tummy back. You don't need that miracle, sweetheart. You are so fit and strong. I need yours. Tuck the tummy back and line your body up. You've got that beautiful spinal alignment. Your core stability makes you powerful. 4 more counts. Here's 4. Here's 3. Here's 2. Walk, walk, walk. You got it. Walk. Nice. Oh, we all need a little miracle now and then.
Libumu isu eh.
Walk, walk.
yo mtu nano boti te Libumu ekweli ndeko
And 2 move.
duko sala ba exercise
Anytime you want. Move a little furniture. You need a little room. You know, that's what I like to do. I just move it all out of the way.
eh Libumu asuza
And back it up. Here's 1 and 2. Back up. Back up muscles. I love to move in different directions than traditional walking. That's how we put more muscle into this walk. It's not traditional walking. Last time up. Last time back. Stay right here, guys. Pick up feet a little bit higher. We're getting warm already, Nikki. Already the heart rate goes up. Susie, we got it. Pick up those feet.
Mabumu pla. Tokos. Olati la ma pla.
Come on, up high. 4, 3, 2, arms down, guys. Power walk up. Nice. Come on. Kicks are coming back. All right.
Hey,
This time we're gonna do 2 kicks and 2 knees. Okay. Shovel across to your right. 2 shuffles. Hands up. Block. Shuffle. 1, 2. Block. 1, 2. Block. Modified. Just don't jump. Follow back. Okay. I want 8 more. 8. All start team right there. You got it. 2 more. Woo. Last one. Excellent. And take it down to the floor, kids.
Full range of motion. Nice quick motion. Again, barely letting those feet touch the ground before you jump them back in the opposite direction. Keep those lungs open, breathing constantly. Make sure you never hold your breath. Just keep that motion under control at a nice, constant pace. Got about 10 seconds left till we switch back to that active rest. 4 apart or a little bit wider if you want. Dropping down as low as you can, as low as is comfortable. Try to get a really nice deep squat on every single one of them. Again, you can always start with a slightly more limited range of motion if those joints are still a little bit cold. But as long as they're nice and warm, start trying to push that range of motion, get as much out of as you can. Got about another 10 seconds. This is our last stretch, our last warm-up. So just keep it going. 2, 1, and let it relax. All right, good job. That's the end of our warm-up. Let's go and get ready for our next 2 exercises. Those feet moving. You want to slowly start increasing that range of motion as you can. So start with a relatively small range of motion and then start increasing as you get further and further into this exercise. We're about 15 seconds in. We got another 15 seconds to go on this one. Start working those knees up just a little bit higher to get a little more range of motion out of those hips. We're moving to a jog in place next. 3, 2, 1. Go and switch that jog in place. Bring those heels up. Stay on the ball of that foot for just a few seconds before we switch over to the other foot. Nice even pace. Again, start relatively slow. You can always speed it up as you get further into it. Let those ankles and calves start to warm up. Start bringing that core temperature up just a little bit. Got about 10 seconds left until we move on to our next exercise, which is going to be a torso twist. 4, 3, 2, 1, and switch it. Standing those feet a little wider than shoulder width apart. You're going to rotate those shoulders back and forth. Try to keep those hips relatively stationary. Mainly trying to just get a rotation around that torso. So twisting those shoulders left to right as far as you can, as far as is comfortable for that lower back. Again, start trying to push that range of motion a little bit more as you get further into it. Got about 10 seconds left until we switch to our next. We're going to be doing a row plus a lateral step next. 3, 2, 1.
Shopping time, Baby mama bana. Stala ka shop so zuta. Shopping time. I am saying thank you, my God. Oh Lord, I am very, very grateful for all you have done for me. These are fish fingers. icing. And also like cake. This is so finance or hour. Okay, that's it. Le robot est bon, elle a 2 jours et donc expired. On est comme un masque, on a été. Les autres pesa pema. Toke futa. Tala biloko toke futa sikoyo. Ana silisia. Sikono classe yango. Tala na biloko nyonso ya mutu moko. Na classe on a tchon na sachet. Après, to benga taxi.